Hello everyone, welcome to GooCampus. This is Ashwini with you. The major purpose of this video today is to bring to your notice few major announcements. Firstly, for the UK PLAB consulting pathway, we've been receiving overwhelming inquiries for registrations. Thank you so much for your trust in us. But unfortunately, we've already reached our bandwidth for 2022. Hence, we are not in position to accept any new registrations till early 2023. And our priority at this point of time is to service the doctors who've registered with us for our various integrated consulting, premium consulting and the standard consulting plan. I believe you all will cooperate with us and help us to serve you the best. Even from early 2023, when we take new registrations for the UK PLAB consulting pathway, there will be certain changes. We will be taking up registrations only in batches going ahead. So you will see a new video on this particular segment coming up maybe by December end or by January. But I also understand my team is already in touch with a couple of doctors who are almost about to enroll. So to keep things fair, we will accept new registrations only till 20th of November. That is just another 4 to 5 days. Secondly, we are really proud to announce this. So GooCampus is expanding the portfolio and we are launching our Australia consulting services shortly. So till now, GooCampus was assisting doctors for post-graduation, that's for higher education in India, US and UK. Now we are adding Australia to our wings. So from further on, we will be assisting you for top 4 medical PG destinations. Similar to how UK and US plans are, Australia will also see the whole integrated consulting plan, where we start with your pre-AMC consulting, that is same like how we do for PLAB or USMLE, pre-USMLE, pre-PLAB consulting. Similarly, you'll have pre-AMC consulting, you'll have coaching for AMC part 1 and for the part 2, that is for your clinicals. This will also have your mentorship by doctors from Australia. This will also have interview sessions practice with Australian doctors. We will also support you with CV writing when you're applying for the jobs. We'll also support you for all your registrations, documentation work that is required, and of course for your English language training and other segments. So please stay connected. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do follow us on Instagram, Facebook to be updated on all the latest announcements. So we will be coming up maybe again by December end. You will see a complete video on Australia segment. So stay tuned. We will share with you all the required details. Suppose you are looking for more information on the Australia consulting pathway, there is a form given in the description box below. Please do fill up the form. My team will reach out to you to discuss more on the services and how we can work together to help you in your journey. Lastly, on demand from medical graduates, doctors, we are launching our portfolio package, which is called as Portfolio Plus. This is to ace your CV. Based on which segment you're looking for, that is which country you're looking for and which specialty you're looking for, we will customize the portfolio building package to suit your needs. So this segment will focus on a structured research course education plus publication support. This will have a structured course on clinical audit and QI plus publication support. This will have one-on-one mentorship by physician mentors across different countries. If you're looking at US, by US physicians. If you're looking at UK, by UK physicians. If you're looking at Australia, it will be by Australian physicians. This will also have your CPD, CMA courses, online PG degree course, and this will also have your ALS, ILS, BLS based on which country you're going to. Suppose if you're looking forward to go to UK or Australia, you can certainly do ALS, ILS, BLS approved by European Research Council, which will be a part of the package. If you're looking for US or India, of course, you know it is by American Heart Association. So based on the country that you're looking for, we will customize it. And also this will have conferences, support in making your papers for oral presentation, e-poster presentation, training to make sure that your paper gets presented really well over there, and many more things that's required to build up a good CV for yourself. So we will be launching our Portfolio Plus from December 2022. By next week, you will have a detailed video on this section. If you're looking for more details on the Portfolio Plus, there is a form given below in the description box. Request you to please fill out the form. My team will reach out to you to discuss about which country you're looking for and how we can put forward the best portfolio based on the specialty, based on the country that you are looking at. So thank you so much for all your support, and I wish all the very best to each one of you watching this video. Thank you so much. So do like and subscribe to our channel if you wish to see more videos on career opportunities or higher education, post-graduation opportunities in US, UK and Australia. Thank you so much. Have a good day.